Hi, this is Dylan. I'm from China and now working in Boston. And let me introduce my small program called Mutation Calculator. As we all know, DNA is a really fundamental stuff for life, and a small mutation on DNA will permanently influence the protein characteristics. And sometimes, usually, mutation of DNA is really a useful tool for the researcher to find the DNA function. So my program is to find the to compare two genes and find the mutation point and also calculate the minimal step to reach this mutation. And okay, so my program is created based on the Tkinter, so it cannot run on the website IDE as Robert said. So I will run it on my terminal. So this is the interface of my, it's called sequence comparison. It's also the mutation calculator. So there are two text box and to let you input the two genes that need to compare. So for example, this is the EGFP, the enhanced green fluorescent protein gene. And if we copy this to the whatever, let's see the first sequence. And just for example, if we delete some and add some, oh, here's the thing, because gene only have ATCG base. If we click X and K and check difference, it will show you only nucleotide is available. So we just clear the table and delete some point and increase some GT and AAA, something like this, and we check the difference. Okay, so it shows you a small summary, the total mutation step and how many deletion and insertion substitution included. And we can export the result, and it shows you the report is successfully generated, and it's in here. So it shows you the time and show you two nucleic sequences and show you the summary and show you how the mutation step is. But since the sequence is really long, so an txt file cannot change color, so this part is really messy. And but it still can show you how to do this. And the other thing is, if we sometimes we need primer for PCR experiment design. So there are two buttons, primer for sequence 1 and for 2. So if we click this, it says the result of primer is successfully exported, and we can find it here. And still time on the time at the beginning and the sequence of the primer there's a sequence of the target and all the optimized primer based on the basic melting temperature and GC content. And it will be a good guide. There are many results because there are many potential point to be as primer, but you as a researcher you can use this result and optimize your primer further. So this is basically my program. It's called sequence comparison, also called mutation calculator. And you can clear the table and input the other one. So here is my program. Thanks for watching.